Hey guys, Henry from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 PLR stores that you can check out today. And I'm also going to be giving you a bonus one at the end, which is a bit different to the regular PLR stores. And also, I'm also going to be giving you, quite humbly, I'm going to be recanting on one of my prior recommendations. I'll explain a bit more in the video why I'm no longer recommending them, and it's for legitimate reasons, and I have no bitterness towards them myself. I'll get more into it when you see the video, and you'll understand why I can't recommend them. In my prior video, I have put a warning in both the description and in my section down below it, and it's something I've never liked doing. I've never actually given somebody a really bad review like this. Unfortunately, it's one of my previous ones that I have given raving reviews about, but unfortunately I can't do that anymore. Anyway, you'll understand more when you get to the end of the video and see for yourself what I'm talking about. You know, besides all that, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if this is the sort of thing that interests you, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye for now. Hey guys, how are you? In this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different PLR stores that you can have a look at. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be showing you a bonus PLR type of store with a different kind of product, and also one that I used to highly recommend and I'm now not recommending anymore. In fact, I'm going to be telling you why at the end. So just stick around to the end and we will get around to that, and I will explain it all to you when we get there. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be looking at right now is PLR Assassin. Now, I was looking through at this site the other day, and one of the things that really struck me with this particular site was not only does it have a large range of PLR products, but it also has amazing support. And that's what I was really looking for when it came to doing a product, looking for products that you can sell online. Now, you also have a free membership area as well, and if you go in, you can actually have a look at some of these products and you can download them for free. You've got to log in, you've got to sign up to a free membership, and then you can then download these products. I think there's about 200 products that you can download with this one. And yeah, but you can also join for the premium price of $129 for a lifetime if you wish to. Now let's have a look at the join today, and I'll show you the range of different prices. Now, even though it says you've got your free one over here and you can sign up there, or you can do this one here, which is $19 a month. Now let's just click on that one for one moment. If you go to here, you can then go to there and you can then choose which one it is. So you can do $117 a year, or for $11 more, you can go an entire lifetime. I think if I was going to be doing it, I would go in that particular direction. Now, that would be the way I would go, because I personally prefer lifetime access to something. Now, another one that I would highly recommend, and I actually know Aurelius through him being my online mentor at one point. Aurelius Chen, he actually owns Unstoppable PLR, and I know for a fact that his products are second to none. They are such good quality products, and what is included in almost all of his products are things like checklists, as well as the video courses and mind maps and a whole bunch of other things, including the PLR ebooks, etc. There's a whole bunch of different things, and they're all good quality books. He doesn't produce rubbish, and he actually produces all of these himself. Now, he pays about $2,000 for every one of the products that he creates, and it's all good quality stuff, and it's highly researched. So it's something that people will actually want to buy from. Now, the next site we're going to be having a look at is PLR Store, or it's HQPLR Store. And HQPLR Store, you know, they've been around for a while now, and they have got some really good offers here. So you can also have a look at some of the things here, the front end and the upsell. So they actually have different things for things like Instagram marketing, YouTube business done for you, and you got your front end and you got your upsell just here. You've also got your next level LinkedIn, and you've got a whole bunch of different ones here. And you can scroll down and have a complete look at the various types of things they have, and a lot of it's to do with social media and e-commerce. So you can have a look through and decide on what you want to download. So that's HQPLR. Now, I would strongly suggest that if you're going to do that, you would also join up to that full time. Now, another one you can go to is called the PLRStalk.com. Now, with this one, it's a bit different. You actually purchase them as an individual item. Now, you can go through and you can find the type that you're interested in, and then you can actually purchase this one at a low price of like $3 or $4, maybe $5 or $6. So yeah, not much more than that at any given time. And they have hundreds upon hundreds of books, ebooks and so forth that you can choose from. And it doesn't have to be just ebooks. You can have a look over here, and you can go through here. You can have a look at all the different digital products that they do. Now, another one you can have a look at is called free PLR downloads. And they really are free. And have a look at this. You can go free PLR ebooks, free master resale rights ebooks, free basic resale rights ebooks, as well as free personal use rights. And that goes the same for software, videos, as well as others, newsletters and free PLR articles. Then you've got download tutorials, and then you've got legal notices, etc. Now, that is another one. Now, the one that I'm going to be giving you as a bonus one for if you don't, say for example, if you don't want to be doing those kind of PLRs and you're more interested in doing the low content PLR, then you can go to this one called PLR Planners. And it's literally got thousands upon thousands of different low content templates that you can choose from. You can choose also some of the automation tools that they use. And I love their automation tools because their automation tools are fantastic. I use their calendar automation tool as well as their, there's a couple of different ones that I use, as well as the ebook, PowerPoint Replicator, as well as the PowerPoint Calendar Creator. I love them both and I use them both. Now, the last one that I'm going to stop recommending to people right now, because I'll tell you why, and maybe I'm just a little bit biased towards this, but I was highly recommending them all the time. And I have to say that when it came to getting any kind of help from these guys, when it came to their support, they had no support. There was literally no support. And I have got commission waiting to be paid out to me, and they're not paying me. This is Indigitalworks. I used to highly recommend these guys, and even though they have got literally thousands of ebooks and various other things, I mean, I'm still a lifetime member. I can still download their ebooks and so forth. I'm just going to quickly log in for 1 second. Now, as you can see, I'm still a member and I have access to everything here. But I'm going to be telling you right now, I'm no longer going to be recommending Indigitalworks or IDPLR because they're both owned by the same people. And neither of them, unless it's to do with paying the money to join up, you don't get any support whatsoever. And I mean, I'm really disappointed because I don't like putting my name to something if it doesn't come through. Years ago, when I first discovered Indigitalworks, I was needing some support, and I got the support really quickly and really easily. So I thought, oh, fantastic, they're really good with that. Unfortunately, of late, they have developed a really bad reputation of having really poor support. Even though they have a support center here, they have never responded to my request for my commission, nor have they responded to another subscriber that I have on my YouTube channel. He has had no luck in getting in contact with them either, especially when it came to their hosting company. And their hosting, they never got back to him, they never helped him out, and they have not gotten back to me. And for that reason, I'm no longer supporting these guys. And I won't support people who won't actually help other people or go into their support desk and help people out. So yeah, no, I'm not going to be recommending Indigitalworks or HQPLR anymore. However, I will recommend these others because I know for a fact that PLR Assassin is good in their support, and they will respond. And the person who owns this also is a member of the Warrior Forum. And if you can't get him directly from the members area, you can definitely get onto him through the PLR, through the members forum, through Warriors Forum. So this is a true down-to-earth actual appraisal and review of these. I can only tell you what I know, and once as I said, highly disappointed with Indigitalworks, and will never recommend them again. I'll still use them for their PLR products, but I won't be recommending them ever again. Not until they start answering their responses from their clients. Anyhow, I am sorry in the past for recommending them, and please forgive me. Anyway, that's all for me. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Guys, I hate giving bad reviews. I have to say that. But in this particular case, I have no choice. Okay, guys, you have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.